Hi, Earl. Thank you for coming and having breakfast with me. Mm, yes, I am going to enjoy this. Going to enjoy hearing all that you got to say, all that you got to share. All right.
I'd like to tell you about the strangest secret in the world. Some years ago, the late Nobel Prize winning Dr. Albert Schweitzer was being interviewed in London, and a reporter asked him, Doctor, what's wrong with men today? And the great doctor was silent a moment, and then he said, Men simply don't think. It's about this that I want to talk with you.
Now, Earl, do you think that that's men and women, or is it just a men thing? I think it's a man and women. Yeah, I think it transcends se- um, sexes and ages. Because we look at the youth today, they can also fall underneath that category. Are they thinking? It's just a thought.
We live today in a golden age. This is an era that man has looked forward to, dreamed of, and worked toward for thousands of years. But since it's here, we pretty well take it for granted. We in America are particularly fortunate to live in the richest land that ever existed on the face of the earth, a land of abundant opportunity for everyone. But you know what happens? Well, let's take 100 men who start even at the age of 25. Do you have any idea what will happen to those men by the time they're 65? These 100.
No, actually, I don't. But I'm looking forward to hear what your statistics are. That's interesting. I want to hear those numbers. What's going to happen to them?